Here's why I think we haven't seen the final leg of the bull run just yet. As always, this isn't financial advice, this is just my thoughts on the market and why I think it's behaving the way that it is. It's not shocking when I say that many people that were in the crypto market this past year had expectations that the market would behave similarly to that of previous bull runs. And I'm guilty of that, absolutely. Because all we can do when we analyze history and historical price action is look at what happened and see how it's similar to what's happening now and then draw conclusions. But this bull run has been different. Why? I think the biggest reason is institutional investors. Now that we have such a large portion of the market coming from big money funds, a lot of the strategies that they follow are now being introduced to our market that we hadn't seen before. One of these strategies that's currently creating a non-typical selling pressure in the cryptocurrency market is wash trading. Wash trading, in short, is a way that when an asset is down in the short term and you're either losing or you're not gaining as much as you expect to in the mid to long term, that you sell, you realize those lesser gains or even losses on your books right now, and because it's the end of the year, that's what your taxes are going to be based off of, so thus lowering your tax liability and positioning you better for the next fiscal year. And my understanding is there's currently a bill that closes that in future years, so this might be the last time that investors here in the US get a chance to use this strategy. And as bearish as that is presently for the price action of Bitcoin and the wider cryptocurrency market, I believe that if that's the case, when the new year comes, we're going to see just as much bullish upside because people will be buying back into their positions to ride out 2022. So that strategy is to limit your tax liability so you get to keep more of your money for the next year. And then there's this last point of institutional investors basically being reset at the beginning of every new year. At the beginning of the new year, I expect hedge funds and major financial institutions to be hopping into crypto in a big way. They've seen what even a small allotment of crypto on their balance sheet or in their investment portfolio can do for them. Who knows? Maybe I'm just too biased and I'm too optimistic in the midst of all this bearish sentiment that's going on right now. But between ETH 2.0 being right around the corner and spot-based ETFs for Bitcoin and Ethereum still definitely on the table for 2022, I feel there's too much bullish opportunity yet to come for this to be the end of this bull run. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments below, and be sure to like and follow.